Greetings from Dr. Vishwanath Karad, MIT-WPU University. I am Dr. Rajashree Khade, serving as a Program Director for Computer Science and Application. We execute 3 different specialization bachelor program and 4 master program. These specialized program will make the student industry ready with the different specialized skill sets. We at Department of Computer Science and Application believe in the power of practical learning and encourage you to immerse yourself in hackathons, workshops and collaborative projects. The Department of Computer Science and Application offer highly research intensive, full-time doctorate program and provide students with excellent facility and expert guidance to support their research endeavors. The program is designed to help postgraduate students to develop their research skills and prepare for the career in academia and research industry. The unique features of all our master and bachelor program is that our curriculum consists of 6 months industry internships which make the student industry ready. Department of Computer Science have a collaboration with foreign university for 2+2 and 3+1 program. Yoga and peace studies are integral part of our curriculum for holistic development of the students. One of the program, rural immersion, is a part of our curriculum to enhance student vision, enrich their personality. Dr. Vishwanath Karad, MIT-WPU University offers 100% scholarship for meritorious students with more than 80 students taking the benefit of it. We have academic collaboration with University of Wisconsin, Parkside, USA for student section program, faculty action program and collaborative research project, and also for 1+1 dual degree program. I look forward to you to join Dr. Vishwanath Karad, MIT-WPU University to fulfill your career dreams in IT industry. Wish you all the best.